Hey guys, it's Nick. I'm in Athens. I just had a really good burger over here at Pax Burger, and now I'm going to walk it off around Plaka area and Monastiraki, see all the shops that are open and the people that are out on this Friday afternoon. So this is now my favorite burger place in Athens. It got the Pax deal: burger, fries, a beer, cheese, bacon for $6.90, which is cheaper than getting like a quarter pounder, fries, and a soda at McDonald's, and obviously much better. So this is the famous Ermu walking street, shopping street up here. Monastiraki is right down here, and Plaka is over here. So let's walk around Plaka and kind of get lost a little bit. I don't really know all these side streets very well, but I'm just going to follow the crowds, really. Guys, no walk around Plaka and Monastiraki is complete without showing you some of the restaurants. And this is not all of them. There's more down around Plaka, but this is closer to Monastiraki, and there's a couple of big ones here, and they are always doing a bang-up business. So the food's got to be pretty damn good because they've been here a long time. They are always packed, as you can see right here, even at this hot 3 o'clock in the afternoon or so day. So all of these seats are from this restaurant here. So they got to have some crazy operation to produce all this food in a timely manner for all these people here. Here's another place. And we got this mist over here, which is really nice too. And if you really want some shade, you can come over here or under here. And of course, that's the Acropolis right up there, which I haven't gone on this visit. I don't think I'm going to go. It's already like 100 degrees out here on the ground. It's probably a lot hotter up there. There are a lot of shops. I'm going to walk down this little narrow street here, see what's going on. You got the purses with the evil eye thing on them. You got the Greek sponges like they have in Tarpon Springs, Florida. So just a lot of obviously touristy kind of stuff. I like walking around places like this, but I really don't buy anything just because I try to travel light, and yeah, I'm not really a collector of anything, so. Well, there's definitely some unique stuff out here, and you know, it's not all just made in China to look Greek or something like that. A lot of that is handmade here. Obviously, it's probably a lot more expensive than just the generic stuff, but if you want something unique, you probably find it here. You know, a lot of sandals and leather goods and stuff like that.
Alguém quer ir à casa de banho? Alguém quer ir à casa de banho?
So here's Monastiraki, and it's about, I don't know, about 2:30 in the afternoon, and it is hot, like about 100 degrees hot, or about 38 Celsius or so. And like I say, if you come out to Monastiraki, go up to A for Athens. That's a hotel, but they have a bar, and I think it's a restaurant as well on the roof. Go there at night, have a drink or two, sit along the side there where you see the glass, and then you can look up at the Acropolis all lit up at night. So you don't have to stay there. You could just, you don't have to stay in the hotel. You can just go over there, have a drink, and sit there for a bit, take your pictures, and kind of look back at ancient history up there, and enjoy your wine or whatever. That's part of the experience of coming out here. So highly recommend it if you're out here. We need some Greek police military gear. You want to look like a motorcycle cop? I really like their outfits. It's, you know, very Mad Max meets, you know, the Spartans or something like that. I don't know.
Near the shop.
And if you need some instruments to play some Greek bouzouki music, you can come over here. Oh, check this out. This guy got old money, old Greek drachmas. And old Deutschmarks.
Τα βλέπετε στο τηλέφωνο σας όλα, έτσι.
Y ahí hay 2 o 3 restaurantes.
This guy got old money and coins too. Old telephones. This guy is selling bikes. One thing about bikes out here, if you're looking to rent a bike, call up ahead of time, because I thought I was going to come down here and rent a bike and ride all around and, you know, make a lot of great time and distances instead of walking. But all of the bike places that I went to that were on Google and didn't say they were closed or anything, they were all closed. And so I walked around a pretty good amount for nothing. So definitely call ahead. I don't know if you can even find a bike rental out here. And one place more that I was gonna go to that was close to Ammonia, and I was like, screw that, I'm gonna call up first. And I called up and they only had electric bikes, and I think it was like 70 euros for 4 hours. So, you know, I'm not really looking to pay 70 euros for a bike for a few hours. But that means I'm walking. And so while I'm here, here's the street that runs along Monastiraki, and over across the street is Little Kook. And for people that don't know, it's this crazy place that looks like kind of Alice in Wonderland kind of thing. And they have food and crazy pastries, and just really, you know, the servers are dressed up like probably the Mad Hatter or something like that. And the last time I was here 3 years ago, it wasn't as big. Like, I see they've expanded now. It's almost like it's growing. So it looks like it's gotten bigger to a few more storefronts that they're, you know, expanding into. And at night, it's a pretty cool thing. It's all lit up and everything like that. So if you're in the area, check it out during the daytime, but then come back at night and check it out as well. And I also did a video walking around here at night, so you could see that also. So the Cheshire Cat, the White Rabbit, the Mad Hatter, the Queen of Hearts. So you see it's based on Alice in Wonderland, although they don't actually say that, because I guess they would get sued if they did. But it's just kind of a generic Alice in Wonderland kind of thing. So you got giraffes. You got all this crazy stuff. Last time I was here, it was just like balloons hanging up. But now they really stepped up their game. They got all kinds of stuff hanging out here. I like to see some of these desserts. Hot tea, coffee, cakes, desserts. Look at those. What are you guys ordering? Anything, any of that?
Not good for me.
But you're on vacation. It's okay. It doesn't count. You got these crazy ice creams. So you got also a curiosity shop with all kinds of figurines and whatnot. So guys, this is a look at what's going on in Athens. Everybody is back and they're out, whether it's daytime, nighttime, very hot, semi-hot, People are out and about and enjoying themselves and checking out experiences like this with Little Kook. And I'm actually going to have to sit here and have a nice iced coffee maybe a little bit later. So guys, that's my look around Plaka and Monastiraki. Hope you like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.